It's time to tango. Yes, it is. Okay, today we're going to learn a little bit more about our American tango. Today we're going to learn what we call a curving or curved basic step. Put your shoes on, join me on the dance floor. Let's do it. My name is Jim Cole. This is Sunstrike Dancesport. This is the place, this is the channel that helps people to learn how to dance better. If you're one of those people, please like this channel. Please like this video. Please subscribe to this channel. And please hit that notification bell so that you know when you're going to get a new video. You're going to be right on top of it. You can learn from it. You can watch it and benefit, then you're awesome. Okay, good. So without further ado, what we're going to do today is we're going to do what we call a curved basic. One thing I want everyone to appreciate is that please stay through the end of the video, because at the end of the video I use some technique. The technique is what allows us to understand the dance better and or makes the steps better. So please do that. Check that out. Make sure that you go all the way through. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the leaders part on the curve basic. So if you are just joining us, last time I have a video on it. It's of our basic tango. And so if you didn't catch that, please watch that, and then you can see some of the similarities when it comes to our curving basic. So we're going to do here for our curving basic, very similar to the step that we did before, but curving. So here we go. So we're going to be doing the basic steps. So we have slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Let's try that again for the leaders part. So we have slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Taking it from the back side. Let's see where we're at here. Okay. So we have slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. All right, one more time. This time we're going to use it with our timing, our positioning. We have left foot forward, right foot forward, left foot forward, right to the side, left foot closes to the right. That's our foot. That's our steps. All right. Already did the timing. So let's do that again. Coming away from the camera. We have left foot forward, right foot forward, left foot forward, right to the side, left foot closes to right. There we go. Okay, ladies part on this. We're going to take it from the back side of the ladies basic curving. We have right foot back, left foot back, right foot back, left to the side, right foot drag. Okay, we have the timing for this is slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And then going toward the camera, let's turn around. Let's see here. There we are. That's it. So we have right foot back, left foot back, right foot back, left to the side, right drags to the left foot. We have timing, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. All right, so that's our basic curving step. So if you watched the last video, you'll notice the similarities to it. One of the things you need to appreciate about the tango is that it really developed in taverns, bar halls, places, bars, where there were stools everywhere and tables. And so to be able to get around, we would have to be able to maneuver. They didn't have big ballrooms there, so that's how they had to be able to travel it. So the curving basic is actually more ideal for what a tango is. Very rarely were they able to just go straight. So it kind of gives the idea of the technique of why we're always going to the left. So one of the things we want to think about with this curving basic, even though that it's a beginner step, there's a lot of things in it, if it's done right, which really gives us the taste of the tango. So one of the things we want to think about is our foot. Now our foot, if you've watched any of our other videos, is usually cut in between the ball or the front half and then the heel. But what I also want to think about doing it is in taking it and splitting it down the middle. So if we take it down the middle, we have not only the heel and the ball, but we also have inside edge and outside edge. Now, if we understand inside edge and outside edge, that will allow us to be able to do these steps with more of a tango flair to it. So when I'm doing the leader's part, and I'm doing those basic steps, as I take a step forward, I'm going to be putting the weight on the outside edge of the foot. As I take my next step, I take the left, or the right foot, I take the inside edge of the foot, and then as I take that next step, I take the outside edge. You'll notice that when you do practice it this way, or you do the steps this way, you're actually going to have a very natural curve that just by using the positioning of your feet, it will allow you to be able to create this tango feel. So we have the outside edge, inside edge, outside edge, inside edge draw. Yes? Okay, good. So if you're looking at my feet as the lady on this, all right, we have outside edge, inside edge, outside edge, inside edge draw. Do you see how that works? So understanding how to use our feet will actually make the tango better. It'll actually have that tango feel. If you like the technique that you learned on this video, please hit the like button, please subscribe, and please hit that little bell. As a quick question, I want to ask, which one did you like better? Did you like the basic step, or did you like the curving basic? Please leave your answer in the description below, and that way I'll know what you liked. So I know that you have a lot of choices. I really appreciate you tuning into my station here at Sunstrike Dancesport. Have a great day.